this is Krista with XFizFit. Yeah, again, we're going to go over some technique in this video. This video in particular is going to go over tabletop exercise. This is a great exercise to use at home when you don't have any equipment to help work those back muscles. So this is kind of what it looks like. I'll show you from the side because it's easier to see what's going on. Okay, so if you've watched some of my videos before, you're probably familiar with that little bony landmark underneath your bum cheek. If not, go ahead, grab your fingers, poke underneath your bum cheek, you'll find a nice hard bone. That guy, you're going to try to put him on the wall behind you. Okay, so we're going to unlock our hips, put that bony landmark on the wall behind you, and find this nice flat back or tabletop position, if you will. And make sure your core is nice and engaged. Yeah, don't have lazy core. Keep everything glued in, and then back up. Yeah, that's tabletop exercise. Now you can get a little bit crazy and add some arms. Just don't let this happen. Yeah, keep your nice flat back in the tabletop position if you do choose to add arms. When you come up out of the exercise, make sure that you squeeze your bum and put those bony landmarks back underneath your body where they belong. Yes? So you're going to unlock, put those bony landmarks on the wall, add arms if you want to add arms, and then squeeze your bum to put those bony landmarks back underneath you, and then arms back down. Cool? Tabletop.